Hi, Dr. Robinson here with an update on how you're going to use JAWS 2021 in Google Slides or Google in general with your Braille display. It does work well if you set it up correctly. So let's go ahead and do Alt-D.
Alt-D, address and search bar edit, HTTPS, semicolon, LADES, dot new, selected.
Slides.new.
Slides, enter, slides.new, selected, HTTPS colon slash select theme
Now,
region, simple white
if
radio
you
button.
do not know
Screen
that
reader
trick, you can do Alt-D, slides.new, you can do Alt-D, doc.new, and instantly, and so on in Google, and instantly get a new document. Okay, so I'm in, let's go ahead and just quickly tab.
To change the selection, press up or down arrow, simple dark radio button not checked,
Dark.
23.
Okay, I like that, enter.
Frame, apply theme colon simple dark.
Okay, and as soon as I apply that, it immediately changes. So now I have a dark and I am in my slide view area. I am in Chrome. You have to use Chrome or Edge. It has to have a Chromium background. It does not work well in Firefox, so don't even attempt it, or you're not going to be able to use your Braille display at all. So the first thing you need to do is insert 6 because you need to change your web settings.
Chrome-JAWS settings center dialogs. 3 web/html/p web/h 1 reading closed 1 of 7 navigation closed.
Down arrow and go to your navigation, F6, and you're going to hear document presentation mode, and it needs to be simple layout. I will do that for you now.
Navigation page, smart navigation mode combo box off 1 of 3.
Yes.
To change the selection, use the arrow.
Have it off.
Document presentation mode, simple layout radio button check.
The default is screen layout. Now I'm only saving this for Chrome, and you may need to change this based on the page that you're on with other programs, but this is how it works really, really well with slides. Okay, enter is the default. Go ahead and save and close.
Enter untitled presentation Google Slides Google Chrome.
Okay,
Frame
I'm
off.
push them up now. Control-Alt-H is enable and disable Braille. Listen.
Alt-Control-H, document content edit read only, type and text, computer Braille. Braille support enabled.
Okay, it's enabled. I'm not even going to show you. You can do this on your own. You can see how you're going to have all sorts of issues. So I'm just going to Control-Alt-H and turn it off.
Alt-Control-H, Braille support disabled.
Okay, all that's telling you is, yeah, you're just disabling it, but it doesn't disable what you're doing on your Braille display. Okay, so we're just going to use your Braille display now, and we're going to tab into your slide.
Center title selected. Dot 6.
Dot 6, we're good.
T-I-T-L-E, title, space.
Beautiful. Escape, and that's, of course, on your Braille display, right shift and dot 1.
Exited text selection, title center,
Always
title
twice.
unselected.
Tab twice.
Title center, subtitle selected. Dot 6, B, Y, by, space, dot 6, D, E-N sign, I, S, E, Denise, space.
Okay, easy, easy. Okay, let's go ahead and escape twice.
Exited text select by Denise, subtitle unselected.
Okay, we need to do a Control M on your Braille display. It's 3, 8, and space. So you got to do 3. Dot 8 is your enter also, and space, and we need to do M with it.
Inserted slide and index 2 with layout, title, and body.
Beautiful, and tab in.
Title selected.
I'm keeping it simple because I'm just demonstrating this.
Dot 6, T-I-T-L-E, title, space.
Okay, escape out twice.
Exited text, title unselected.
Okay, and then tab twice to get into the next text box.
Title selected, body selected.
Okay.
Dot 6, A, space.
Okay, and
Dot
enter.
6.
Like I said, I'm keeping it easy.
B, but, space.
Okay, so, oh, and I could have done a letter sign. And when you read it on from the Braille display, it's perfect. But it has to be a simple layout. So even though you've disabled Braille, that is just what you have to do with the talking software right now. But even with the disabled Braille, it reads perfectly. So that is not an issue. And that is actually how you get your Braille display to work in slides. And that's true for any Google product. And that's how you do that.